Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome
Mama, hey mama, I've been feeling homesick. There's demons inside my heart and I can feel them growing. I brought people around me without even knowing. They all had secret agendas that they wasn't showing.
I'm in the store. No, there goes some dollars. I'm trying to get some paint and stuff. For a second. Zach, give me $1. Boy.
I'm trying to paint. What kids or what I would do with my money. Honey, boo boo, boo boo. I was gonna do something for Mimi, which is my puppy, but then I'm just gonna get. Who should I get something? I'm gonna get a card. I'm gonna get a card for my mama. She'll know I'm getting stuff though. I'm gonna get a bag. What are bags at? Ma! She'll know I'm getting stuff. Ma! You know they got them little bags? Them little bags that you put stuff in. Can you go there? She'll know I'm getting trouble. I'm making somebody a bag for Valentine's Day. Why can't it be Leon? Why can't it be Leon? No, it ain't that way, Ma. Stuff there, Dollar Tree. How much them balloons, Ma? No, I get one for Dollar Tree. They're like $2. Huh? Oh, we got $5. That's cute. Yeah, I need a change. Make sure my money's still in my pocket. You give me your $1. I'm buying one. Can you still give me $1? You got $5. I'm doing that for something. I'm using that for something. What? I'm using that for something. You guys, I'm making somebody a bag. It's worth it. Dollar Tree. I was trying to get my mom something, but she's like, but so yeah, I just spent my couple of dollars. I only got $1 left, but I spent my dollars on some stuff. Show y'all. Show y'all. Show that. Some of these. What is it? Come on. Some fruit snacks. I got some chips. And ice cream tweets. And see that some more. And then I got sneaker basket. So I had that. Bravo. Come on, bro. Oh, that's so sweet. That's gonna do that to their mama. Yeah, that's right. Heard them say cusses like that's a little shot with me, I guess. I ain't record getting stuff cause and then all them people. So go all over the damn place. But yeah.
Okay, you guys, that completes the video. Well, do not complete the video. I want you guys to meet somebody new to the member. If y'all don't know, my dog did die like a week ago. She died. Her name was Mama. I was finna let y'all meet her, but before I ever got a chance to let y'all meet her, she had passed away.
That's why I need you around. When I'm with you, I'm the happiest. Cause you're the purpose for my happiness. I dedicate this song to you. I don't know what I would do if you ever left me now. My heart will fall to the ground. I dedicate.
She had passed away. My uncle had another dog, and the dog had got pneumonia, I think. And that's when I was letting my dog play with the puppy, my uncle dog, which is a puppy, and I didn't know that the dog had pneumonia, and it was cold outside too. So it sprayed it to my dog, and then my dog had passed away. And if y'all don't know, y'all need to follow my Instagram because I did post it on my Instagram. But I got somebody new. I got a new dog like 3 days ago. It's his 3rd day here, and it is a boy. I had a girl, and my mom's like, it's you can just like try something different. So I got a boy, and here he go. Come here, boy.
His name is Man. He is Tuesday. He just turned 5 weeks. And yeah, he's a boy. He's pure white. He's a red Sherman boy, and his dad is all white too. So he got his dad's skin tone. And here he go right here. Say hey. Say hey. Something that I did wanted to do. I wanted to get like a portrait and some paint, and I wanted to paint his things, and I wanted to put it on a thing, and I wanted to say, hey, my name is I want to do like a doggy portrait with paint and stuff with him, and yeah. So, but I ended up spending my money on snacks, which y'all was seeing me. So you better not start crying. So yeah, this is Man. He's a new member to the squad, so he's a slay boy. Not that type of way, cause y'all is my slay baby, so he's my slay boy. Well, my baby boy. Yes, I treat him like a baby. He's like 5 weeks. He was only 5 weeks. He just turned 5 weeks Tuesday. I just got him. I got him Monday. Yeah, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So I have him. Today's the 4th day I had him. And yeah, look at him. Look at him. Boy. Boy. But like when my friends come, I gotta put him in my mama room, because my mom, he can't know nobody. He's a house dog. He's my dog, but he's a family dog, but he's my dog. He's my permanent dog, but he's a family dog too. And he biting me. But that completes the video. That completes my little shot with me. These are the stuff that I got, as I showed y'all in the car. And I'm making him an Instagram, so make sure y'all follow his Instagram and follow my Instagram. You better stop. You better stop trying to bite your mommy. Don't let me. Yeah, so I'm making him an Instagram. Make sure y'all follow his Instagram. Yeah, that completes the video. Hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you guys leave a like, a comment, and subscribe, and say, hey, Man. And you know your girl got to be out. I love you guys. Stop. Wait a minute. Now like, comment, and subscribe, and that's not nasty. A dog mouth is cleaner than yours. And yeah, meet Man, my little boy. And you know your girl got to be out this thing. Out this thing. And I'm gonna show y'all a couple of videos of me and Man. And I didn't want to show them to y'all so like quickly. So yeah.
Say bye-bye. He finna go straight to sleep.
I'm tipping, you better move out my way. I am not here to
You been singing this Cartier, kinda a done. Nigga try to suck up the drip like